sitting in a 16 Honda CRV. We have one existing prox key. We're going to be adding an OEM prox in. This is a used one, but they're as good as new. You don't have to do anything to them. So let's get started here. I'll go ahead and put the hazards on. CRV, key coding, smart key, turn the key on, yes we do, no, okay, we're going to take unprogrammed key, stick it on the door jamb, or door right here, that's far enough, press enter, ignition's on, okay, take this key that we had, also put it out by the door, enter, okay, unregistered key right here. We'll stow it on the seat. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. That's 2 presses. Is the security light off? Yes, it is. Off. On, off, prox keys 3. Yep, and now we can check to see if it turns on, and it does. It's just that quick. All done.